I'm going to share a recipe with y'all from my magazine. If you like cream corn, like we like cream corn down here in the South, and of course at the restaurants we serve the very best cream corn, and we don't serve anything but Silver Queen. But we're going to cheat a little bit on this cream corn recipe, and I hope y'all like it. We're going to melt our butter in our skillet, and we've got onions and garlic, and we're going to roast that, just saute that off until your onion is tender. 5 or 6 minutes, not going to take long. So, what have y'all been up to? What have y'all been up to out there? I'd love to hear from y'all. You know, everybody asks me what I've been doing, but I want to know what y'all have been doing, because I might want to do some of that too. Join y'all. We do have our Halloween party coming up here at the house. That's going to be so much fun. All my girlfriends. And I may have some boyfriends come and see. Who knows? All right, our butter's melting, so I'm going to go ahead and add our onions. And I'm going to get that going. Then I'm going to add my garlic. And we're just using a sweet frozen corn. I think it's about 15 ounces. So I think it used to be a pound. But I think they took an ounce away from.
Always.
And didn't come down the price either.
I did not.
Okay, y'all, I cooked that for maybe 4 or 5 minutes. And now I'm going to add my corn. I'm pushing my pot. Now I'm going to add my 2 cups of heavy cream. Oh, it's going to fit. It's going to fit. Okay, now I'm going to add my salt, my white pepper, and is that cayenne, Teresa?
Red pepper.
Just red pepper. That may light up your lice. Okay, our next step. You notice we hadn't used any flour or anything. So what we're going to thicken this with is a tablespoon of grits. And these are not instant grits, and they're not long cooked. They're quick grits, and I love those. I use them all the time because sometimes I have the time to cook them for 45 minutes. Sometimes I don't. So I'm going to stir these in, and I'm going to cut down on our heat, and those grits are going to thicken up our cream corn. Okay, y'all, our corn, our grits have thickened up our corn now, and I'm going to add some Monterey Jack cheese to it. And then after that melts, I think it'll be ready for us to fix a plate, big plate. Oh, this looks so good. I remember the days when my grandma Paula and I would go to the garden and pick all of our corn and come back and silk it, grate it. Cream corn needs to be grated. And oh my gosh, it was so much work, but it tasted so good. So this is a lot easier. Now, if this is too thin for you, You can always add less heavy cream or double your, instead of 1 tablespoon of grits, use 2. And that will take care of it. Looks good. Oh my gosh, I'm excited, and it's not even Thanksgiving. But I am so thankful. Doesn't that look good? Looks so good. Looks so good and hot. That is delicious. You know, it's not like our summer corn that we cream from scratch and bake it off. But this is very, very good substitute to have in the fall and wintertime when you can't get that corn. Unless you have put some away in the freezer. This is so good. Well, that is it, kiddies. And the red pepper in it didn't make it too hot. So I think you're safe with that. But like I said, if you want it thicker, 2 tablespoons of, that was 1.5 tablespoons, but I'd use probably at least 2 tablespoons. And so that'll help make it a little bit thicker, but it's to your liking. It's all about your tongue. Love and best dishes, friends. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.